Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make dark chocolate orange creams. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. No real story behind tonight's treat. I've just wanted to make an orange cream-filled candy for a while now, and here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own dark chocolate orange creams, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 3 cups of marshmallow cream, 3/4 teaspoon of orange oil, some red and yellow food coloring, and 2 cups of dark chocolate melting wafers. I also used a 6x6 pan, some parchment, a bowl, a hand mixer, a cutting board, a spatula, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan and set it aside. Melt the white chocolate and combine it with the marshmallow cream. Add the orange oil and food coloring and mix until it's fully combined. I'd suggest tasting the filling once it's mixed, just to make sure you're getting enough orange flavor. Spread the filling evenly into the lined pan. Place the pan in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Cut the filling into whatever size pieces you'd like and place them on a lined cutting board. As these warm up, they're going to get very sticky, so don't dilly-dally. If they get too soft to cut easily, return them to the freezer until they firm up. Melt the wafers according to the directions on the package, then dip a bar into the chocolate, drain the excess, and return it to the lined cutting board. Again, these are going to soften up pretty quickly, so I'd leave half a batch in the freezer while you dip the first half. Repeat with the rest of the pieces, then put them in the refrigerator for a few minutes until the chocolate is set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. That is so good. Worth every bit of the effort I put into them. The center is soft and creamy, and the dark chocolate and orange flavors just go so very well together. In fact, Mrs. Randy Makes Candy tried one and said, "Orange, you glad you made these?" And yes, I am. If you love the dark chocolate and orange combo as much as I do, you really ought to try these. Again, these are going to soften up pretty quickly, so I'd leave half. I'd lead